Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Scosche Bluetooth device. First, make sure your Scosche accessory has sufficient power, either fully charged or connected to a power source. Next, position your Scosche device very close to the smartphone or tablet you intend to pair it with, ideally within 1 meter. Finally, power on your Scosche Bluetooth accessory, preparing it for the connection process. Once your Scosche device is powered on, you'll need to activate its pairing mode. Look for a small button, often marked with a Bluetooth symbol, and press and hold it for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. The device's LED indicator light should then begin to flash, typically in a blue or alternating red and blue pattern. This visual cue confirms that your Scosche accessory is actively searching for a device to connect with. Now, grab your smartphone or tablet and navigate to its settings menu. From there, find and tap on the Bluetooth option. Ensure Bluetooth is toggled on. Your device will then begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth accessories. Look for your Scosche device in the list of available devices. It will typically be identified by a name starting with Scosche followed by a model number. Tap on its name to initiate the connection. After selecting your Scosche device, you should receive a confirmation on both your phone and the Scosche accessory. The LED indicator on your Scosche device will usually change from a flashing pattern to a solid blue light, indicating a successful pairing. To verify, try playing some audio or making a test call. If you encounter any issues, simply power off and then power on both devices, and repeat these straightforward steps from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.